Hello, Catherine O'Keefe dwi. I work in the North Wales Medical School and I'm the programme lead for a new and exciting Masters in Medical and Health Professions Education. The Masters programme will be starting this September, the PGCert year, followed by the Diploma year and then the final Masters year. Applications to the programme are now open. If you're interested, hopefully you'll already be working within health professions education, either as a doctor, nurse or physiotherapist, in clinical settings or in academia. You might also be an NHS education manager who'd really like to develop further skills, or working in professional services within a university. What we're going to aim to do with this programme is help you develop your practical and theoretical skills in teaching and learning, and help you begin to understand some of the complexities by accessing theories and research that might be very helpful. The programme is completely online, so it doesn't matter where you're based, you'll be able to join. We're trying to make the online provision as flexible as possible, so there will be self-study options as well as online workshops and programmes, short and longer timeframes. If you'd like to find out more about the programme, please click the link at the end of this clip and we'll be delighted to give you more information.